How to mix Sevlon antiseptic and water in the right proportion for first aid and general antiseptic cleansing. Ordinarily, you wash wounds at home with soap and water, but there are times when you can use antiseptic solution to clean wounds, like dirty wounds, a fall in the garden, a minor cut by a dirty object, a fall in the playground. The problem is that some people don't know how to use antiseptic. They apply it without diluting it and they don't wash it off. This can cause contact dermatitis. The right way to use antiseptic solution is to dilute it in the right ratio. When you apply it, you wash it off. You don't leave it there. You wash it off with clean water. Then cover the wound with gauze. If the wound needs covering, you cover it with gauze. If it doesn't, you leave it. I will show in this video how to dilute Sevlon antiseptic in the right way. You use Sevlon antiseptic on minor wounds, superficial wounds at home. You don't use it on deep wounds. More serious wounds need you going to the hospital. I'll be using the cup to measure out 100 ml of water, and we'll be using a teaspoon to measure out 5 ml of Savlon antiseptic, and not a tablespoon. You don't use a tablespoon to measure Savlon out. You use a teaspoon. You can also use a medicine cup at 5 ml level. How to dilute Savlon antiseptic for general cleansing purposes. You can use the measuring cup to measure both the Savlon and water. To measure at 90 ml of Savlon, you just go below the 100 ml mark. You can use 250 ml mark to measure out water, but measure it 6 times to give 1.5 liters. In this video, I'll be using 10 ml medicine cup to measure out 90 ml of Savlon antiseptic, and a 150 cl water bottle to measure out 150 cl water. 150 cl water is the same as 1.5 liter of water.